fried rice combo.
You need to do a video of your recipe.
I know, right? 1 to 10.
10.
1 to 10.
A 10.
We got it 10, guys. Welcome back po to our channel. So today guys, we're making fried rice combo. Free taste tayo tomorrow. So ayun guys, ito yung ating sangkap. Meron tayong pork, tapos meron tayong carrots, sibuyas na may dahon. Ito yung bawang natin, then yung sibuyas, then hot dog. So, ayan guys, igigisa muna natin yung ating bawang. Ayan guys, isanggo yan. Kasi ayan guys, sunod naman natin yung ating sibuyas. So, ayan guys, maglalagay tayo ng asin. I-mix na rin natin ito guys, yung ating sahog. Maganda naman yung ating sahog kung masyadong lutong-luto. Ay! Lumabas. Ayan, tayo lang natin ito guys na mag-brown siya. Okay, susunod naman natin ating carrots. Susunod naman natin itong Pure Foods hotdog. Bango daw guys, bango. Ayan guys, lagay natin yung dahon ng sibuyas. Lutuin muna natin mabuti. Ayan na siya guys, ilagyan din natin ng green peas. So, lulutuin lang natin to, then bago tayo maglalagay na siya dyan ng kanin. Ilalagay na po natin yung ating kanin. O, ganyan lang. Ayan guys, ihahalo na natin yung itlog. Na siya guys. Yan, unang tikim. So kung magluluto kayo ganito ng fried rice guys, hindi na kailangan ng ulam kasi kompleto na, nandito na lahat. Rate 1 to 10.
1.8 and a half. Rate 1 to 10 ka mo eh. Kung yun ang gusto mong ibigay. Perfect 10.
Magpapa free taste tayo sa aking mga katrabaho. Hi guys! Good morning! It's a video! So we're here right now. So last night I cooked combo fried rice. Now later Jackie gonna try and Andrew. So we'll see if they're gonna like it. I gave some to Mama Lupe, but she said she gonna eat later. Okay. She don't wanna try. I said I'm gonna take your video. I wanna see your face. So we have Brasso Mercedes. This one guys, of course. And then we have our coffee. And then we have this one, the fried rice combo. Hopefully Jackie gonna likes it later. And then we have a popsicle. Oh, ice drop with pinipig.
Yummy.
So we're gonna eat later. I'm so happy Jackie working with us. So every Monday or Sunday we're gonna bring food so that we can eat.
You're so nice. Thank you.
It's dry, right?
And it's so soft.
I know. Erin, she's hiding.
We're here trying the rice.
How you like it, Jackie?
It's good. I like it very much. Thank you. You need to do a video of your recipe.
I know, right?
A tutorial.
Thank you, Jackie.
No, thank you for bringing me food. She always brings me food.
It's okay. It's just because you.
My radiance. Please proceed to K6. You finished? I finished.
You want more or later? Oh, go ahead, go ahead.
The first one on top.
The Erin.
Ano mainit?
Slurp. Ano pong kulang?
Wala namang kulang.
Lasa.
Malasang malasa. Malasang masarap.
Nalasahan mo lahat ng ingredients.
Lasahan ko.
Kasi minsan pag kumakain tayo, sabi mo, ay, nalalasahan ko yung bitchin. Yung sa buffet.
Lasang lasa ko.
So, yan, nalasahan mo talaga yung lasa
Oo.
ng mga ingredients.
Lasang lasa ko.
Lasa na. 1 to 10.
10.
Salamat po. So, Jackie, rate 1 to 10.
A 10.
We got it 10, guys! Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng nag-subscribe tsaka sa mga nanood ng ating first and short video. Thank you so much, guys. May God bless us all po, and ayun, mabuhay sa ating lahat. Babush!